Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny armor and a very friendly smile, had a pet dragon named Sparky. Sparky was a small green dragon with big golden eyes. He loved to play hide and seek amongst the tall green grass near Sir Reginald's cozy castle. One sunny morning, while chasing a fluffy white butterfly, Sparky suddenly went, "Hic!" Then again, "Hic!" Sparky was having sparkly hiccups. Each hiccup sent a little shower of colorful sparkles into the air. The sparkly hiccups twinkled so brightly that they caught the attention of three tiny pixies with shimmering wings. They zipped over to Sparky, their tiny bells jingling. "Oh my!" giggled the first pixie, who had blue wings. "Such sparkly hiccups!" exclaimed the second pixie, whose wings were pink. "We know how to make them go away," chirped the third pixie with yellow wings. "Really?" Sparky asked, trying not to hiccup. "How?" The blue pixie fluttered closer. "You must complete 3 silly challenges." The first challenge was to hop on one foot and sing a little song about a sunny day. Sparky giggled and carefully hopped, singing a wobbly but cheerful tune about sunshine and flowers. "Hic!" went Sparky, sending out more golden sparkles. The pink pixie then giggled. "Your next challenge is to touch your nose with your tail." Sparky wiggled and stretched, his little tail just barely reaching his nose. It tickled. He couldn't help but let out another sparkly hic. Finally the yellow pixie said, "For your last challenge, you must make Sir Reginald laugh." Sparky scampered over to Sir Reginald, who was polishing his shiny boots. Sparky made a funny face and wiggled his ears. Sir Reginald chuckled, then let out a big hearty laugh, and just like that, Sparky's hiccups were gone. No more hic, and no more sparkles. The pixies cheered. "You did it, Sparky!" they exclaimed. Sparky felt much better. He learned that sometimes the silliest things can be the best way to solve a problem. Plus, making his friend Sir Reginald laugh made him feel happy too. It's always nice to bring joy to others.
Please subscribe. Thank you.